So Community Action would like to thank you sincerely, Simon, for this very generous donation. And we'd also like to thank the customers and staff who voted for Community Action. Community Action supports some of the most vulnerable people in our community, including people who experience financial hardship, women and children who are escaping and experiencing domestic and family violence, at-risk youth, new migrants to the community, and also people who are experiencing homelessness. So homelessness is a major issue in our community, and we will use this generous donation to support people experiencing homelessness when we're not able to provide them with crisis accommodation or house them in our community housing. So we'll use this donation to be able to provide sleeping rough packs, which offer some care and some comfort to people who are without those necessities.
Fantastic, thanks Ruth.
Thank you very much. We really do appreciate this generous donation.